for the highways. Prescription pills making his eyes dilate. The fans love him.
Nope.
Yeah. What you know about this shit right here? Yeah. Only gonna do this 2013 shit right here. QB nigga shit right here. Stand the fuck up, nigga. Through the yellow colored smoke I breathe, in the form of a song for the world to receive. Kinda shit niggas know I'm keeping up my sleeve. Real shit guaranteed. If I'm wrong, I'll leave behind a legacy of music. The world to repeat. Plus a house full of kids for every girl I beat. Some say I'm